Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to remove background in Canva. All right, so let's begin with the video. A lot of people think this feature is only available in Pro, but you can actually do this for free using a built-in Canva app. To get started, open Canva and create a new project. Once your project is open, go over to the left-hand navigation and click on Apps. In the search box, type in Background Eraser and then press Enter. Now click on the top result called Background Eraser. After that, press Open. From here, click on Choose File and upload the image that you want to remove the background from. Once the image has finished uploading, simply click on Remove Background. Canva will automatically process the image. And as you can see, the background is now removed. You can now resize the image, reposition it, or place it on top of any background inside your design. This works great for thumbnails, social media posts, or presentations. And that's it. So that's basically how you can remove background in Canva. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.